Brother, what's that? Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another vlog. Thank you for tuning in once again. We are headed to the shop as we speak. We got a full day ahead of us. We will be showing y'all a truck that we're finishing up. It's a 2024 Ford Ranger 6-inch BDS. Also, we're in the BMW today. We're gonna be doing a quick walk around once we get to the shop, see what y'all think about this car. Y'all comment down below. Also, later on today in the vlog, we'll be heading to Redline to go get some custom gel caps made for the Ford Lightning. Y'all stick around. We got a full day ahead of us.
What do you think?
I love this truck. So this truck actually belongs to our good buddy of ours, Julio from Leon Western Wear. A little bit about this truck is sitting on some 22x9 US mag, 22x12. Now the differential was cut on it to make these wheels fit. It is sitting on a 4.6 drop. I actually like this look. Comment down below, should we do this to our line?
Or just leave it stock.
So right now we have the stocks on there, the 20s. They are replicas because they didn't make them in 20s. She likes that look. I love that look as well. Being in the wheel industry, I think we need to put billets on there. Well, that's my excuse at least. So let us know, should we put wheels on it or not? We already have the drop already, everything. The only thing that we're gonna have to do is cut the differential and throw some wheels on there.
Oh, just cut, right?
Yeah,
just that
cut.
simple.
It's a little bit of cutting.
I think we should leave it stock looking. A Lightning's a Lightning, in my opinion. Don't get me wrong, I love this look, but I love ours just the way it is.
So y'all comment down below.
Who's gonna win this one, guys?
Y'all support and give me some thumbs up, and we're gonna see yes or no. Leave it stock.
I'm gonna have to get my ladies on this. Ladies, help me out.
They're gonna say put wheels on there.
We shall see. Where we headed?
Just left the car wash, headed to the shop now. It was only right that we showed you this car clean. Let me know what your thoughts on the car. All right, quick shop update. We got this Corvette dropped off this morning. ZR1. Absolutely love these cars. Doing rear tires, 275, 60, 15s. Mickey Thompson Street R's. Got this Honda Accord. Doing a full set of tires on them. We're also doing this Denali with Magnerite, 3.5-inch lift. We got Jerry balancing right now. We got Penny torquing down the welds. Penny, what are those good torque down to?
Start off at 18 and at 21.
All right. We have another drag pack going on. Got this scat pack. Got some weld V-locks. Torquing it down as we speak. 315, 50, 17. If y'all interested in the drag pack, y'all let us know. We'll get y'all taken care of. Okay, right now we're headed to the dealer to go pick up some parts for some trucks that we have there at the shop.
Great, that's JoJo.
That is JoJo.
Catch up. Pull up on the side of him.
we're just telling them right now, that's actually your slowest one on your fleet.
Oh, yeah. Yes, bro. Y'all shit's fast, bro.
We'll show them your Corvette and your other cars. But, I mean, your other cars, of course, are going to be probably faster than this one.
We'll have to bring something else out for your other ones.
Yeah, we'll bring something else out for your other one. So, yeah, that's JoJo. You seen him, he bought our dually. He has some fast stuff. He has a red eye. I mean, that was pretty quick. He has a Mustang with the Whipple on there. He has a Corvette C8 as well that he just did E85 cam, full bolt-ons. That one's a quick one as well. So he probably pull up one of these days just to do fun runs. Nothing, you know, we don't take nothing personal. This one is a fast car for being stock. We're indecisive if we wanted to tune it or not, but you know, I guess we'll think about that one. Talk about that one. I mean, I don't know. Tuning M4 wakes it up like crazy, and then if you do a downpipe, I think we'll be good with that. But that's if we decide to keep it or if we decide to go a different route with this car. We don't know. But yeah, we'll keep you updated. Alright, we just stopped by RM Tuning on the way to the shop. We're like, hey, let's go check out the red SS. Yeah, come check it out, see what y'all think. Mr. Lalo! What up, man? What we got going on?
We got some people in here. We're trying to get in the dyno, but we went up for a tune, but we're seeing that the duty cycle on the injectors are a little bit too high. It's not the injectors, because we know these injectors are compatible for the horsepower that it has. So it's going to be something on the fuel pumps. It has dual fuel pumps, 2450, so we're going to figure out if one of them is weak. If it is, we're going to replace that, and then that's going to fix the fuel issue. Once that's done, then we'll put it on the dyno.
Just to let them know, they just got dynos in, so that's gonna be exciting. So once this one's running, ready to go all the way, we'll show you the numbers on that one. Also, this truck, it does have a different setup. We went with a bigger turbo on it. There's some piping on the turbo, pretty much there from there.
You got some AC also.
Oh, that's
we
right.
had to modify the accumulator so we can put the AC to work because of the whole piping of the hot side on the turbo. We actually went with the VS Racing 80 millimeter, so it should be able to pull more boost out of it. So.
And also, this is just kind of like temporary. We just did it just to get it going. We are gonna do a cascade on there, aluminum one. We might get that one from Freddie. We'll see about that one. And then that's pretty much it. We just wanted to show y'all the red SS to the channel, somewhat.
Yep. Follow us at RM Tuning so you can see the dyno posts.
Thank you, Lalo.
Thank you.
Yeah. All right, Mr. Lalo. Have a good one.
Trying not to buy nothing else from my favorite shop.
Yeah. Did you take care of it with the lights and everything?
Yeah, we got some red lights, we got some ULEDs for his cab lights, and we wrote clean.
I can't roll Penny. I can't record Penny. Penny got that shirt up.
Yeah, okay.
No.
I don't shame my game.
Penny got no shame. Penny got no shame.
So we're doing cab lights, headlights.
Cab light, headlight.
Cab lights, headlights. Some beautiful tires.
Yeah. Remember we was trying to find them when they had all them shipping containers wrecked?
Well, you said we were going to go
CLA10s?
GTX is next.
Let me just pay this little bill off
No,
first and
no,
then
you
we'll go.
Yeah.
We'll go KG1.
KG1. KG1 got some nice stuff.
2412.
Okay. Or 2612.
No, I'm two-wheel drive. I don't want to be sitting too high up. I like how they look stuffed under there.
Yeah, no.
Make the lip look a little bigger.
Yeah, for sure.
Kind of give it a little race.
Been a while since you've been
You
here.
sound like a tire man. Like you know what you're talking about.
Man,
You work part-time?
I mean,
He's gonna need to work part-time one of them JTX.
What you say about your truck?
come here on the Saturday, give me about $5.
Jerry, what we got going on?
Brand new set of tires, some 33s, 1250 22s on the rim, as you can see, pretty much shining.
Sheesh!
Right, yeah.
I see that shine.
Now, just got the look at that extra reinforcer.
Okay.
The only reason I bought this damn thing is because they cut the frame in a section of Cadillac. So, Cadillac motor, Cadillac suspension, Cadillac.
So is it a Rolls Royce or Cadillac?
It's a Rolls Royce body, but with
Cadillac.
Cadillac frame and stuff like that.
So you can actually go to O'Reilly's versus you can't find the parts for it.
Yeah. That's the only reason I bought it.
Yeah, but I like the wheels. That's my favorite right here. The wheels. That's a cool car. I just wanted to show y'all what I thought about it. I actually like it. You bought it a couple months ago.
Yeah,
right?
I bought it a couple of months ago.
It didn't have the wheels on there. You
No.
What have you done to it so far?
Change the oil and put Freon.
And put some gas.
And gas. Put some gas. Yeah, but remember I had flats?
Yeah.
Because I had Chevy rims.
Yeah. So he was only riding King on one side.
Right side.
He had a good side.
He drove on this side, and I was like, "Hey, drive around." He's like, "Nah, I'm on good side."
I didn't want to turn around because I had
That's why it had the dummies on there.
the dummy. You know how prom's coming up? I was telling all my partners, hey, if somebody needs somebody instead of renting a limo, let me know. I got you, man. I'll pull up.
And it got AC, so you don't have to worry about getting sweated out. It got AC
And
too.
if they pay for it, I'll get the suit with my little hat.
Yeah.
You know what? I'll jump out. Excuse me, sir. Yes, sir. Excuse me, sir. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Well, y'all stay tuned because he is gonna be LS swapping it soon.
Yeah.
Maybe.
It just runs so good.
It'd be a sin to leave it factory.
Yeah, it will.
And when it's LS swap, we're gonna go ahead and make a video on that one too. Maybe do some burnout.
Let me go because I'm on my break.
Yes, sir.
Come back, I'll kick my ass.
Just finished up on this Colorado. We did some American 4s, some wheel ring lights on some 33, 12, 50, 22 BFGs, KO2s. This is definitely different. You really don't see Colorados with American forces. And then we also got this 2024 Ranger. We're doing a 6-inch BDS kit on it. Y'all stay tuned for this one. This one's gonna be pretty cool as well. All right, she's ready for pickup. We got a 2024 Ford Ranger. We put on a 6-inch BDS lift kit on there, sitting on some 20-inch 4-play wheels, sitting on some 33, 1250, 20s needle ridge grapplers. This kit did come with Fox shocks as well. Y'all let us know what y'all think about it. If y'all need anything, 281-900-4089. Look who just pulled up. Mr. JoJo.
What's up, Brent?
What you doing?
You're coming to
Go.
get revenge on that BMW. I was too slow with the Ford, so
Yeah, Lee, you took it a little too personal. We were just joking around. He brought out the C8.
we're gonna have to line it up again. You ready?
Nah, this one's gonna be too fast.
Nah, we gotta line it up because that Ford was too slow. Y'all was walking me.
What's done to this one?
Full bolt-ons, tune, E85, heads and cam from Moose District. Yeah.
Pretty much full bolts on the 85
Yeah.
cam. You're probably one of the few people that have a cam on these things.
Yeah.
This thing is clean.
We got
Wow.
plans for twin turbos, so that should be coming soon.
Twin turbos. Yeah, I mean, this definitely wasn't planned. We're not gonna race them today. We might race them. When are you thinking, JoJo?
Probably another week or two.
Yeah, well, I mean, we can set it up. I mean, I personally think that you're gonna drag us.
You drug me in the F-150.
Yeah, but that's an F-150.
You drag me, I'll drag you. So
Nah.
at least one
so-
time.
I wonder how much these cars weigh. Do you know?
Yeah, I think like 2,900 pounds.
Oh yeah, you're lighter. So I think that'd be a pretty good race. I think he's gonna walk the BMW. This one is stock, but I think this one being tuned, with this one with the tune and a downpipe, they push 7-ish, almost close to 8. I think that'd be a good race. What are you pushing on this one?
This one's pushing 600.
600. So right now this one stock should be pushing a little over 5 to the wheels. So it might be a little decent race. I mean, I think you're gonna beat me. I wouldn't put no money on it because I mean, I think you'll definitely beat us, but I don't know.
Turn it on.
Yeah, turn it on. Nah, I think he's gonna beat us.
So if I beat you, we're gonna line this one up with the turbo truck.
The red truck, the red SS.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm down for that. The red SS should be ready here soon. Y'all comment down below if y'all want to see this race. Who y'all go for? Me, I'm probably gonna be Team JoJo. I ain't even gonna lie. But well, if he does beat us, then we'll go
Turbo truck.
the turbo truck.
And then I'm gonna be Team Gray.
Team, babe, but which one is your fastest right now?
I'm gonna have to go with the Mustang.
The Mustang's faster, right?
The Mustang has a little over 800 horsepower, 24 Mustang with a Whipple.
That thing is nasty too. That one right there, actually we're doing wheels on that one too, right?
Yeah, we'll be doing those sometime next week.
So we're gonna be doing 19s all the way around. We lowered it already. It's on spacers, but we're doing 19s all the way around we went the radio on that one, right? Yeah, we went the radio. So y'all stay tuned for that one as well. That one will be probably a good race for the. That's gonna be a good race for the SS2. Y'all stay tuned. See what y'all think. Y'all comment down below if we should set up this race, and we'll go from there. All right, just leaving Red Line now. We just placed our order for our gel cap for the Ford Lightning. They're gonna go ahead and make us a new gel cap for it. We had the wheels re-powder coated, and we're having the center caps painted as well. So when we put them on, they're gonna look like a brand new set. Just put up 2 Texans Customs. I called Cisco, asked him if we could drop off the center caps to the Lightning. He said, yeah, go ahead and we'll get it taken care of. And I say we paint the center caps because you cannot powder coat center caps being plastic. Also, just came back from Redline. These are gonna be new too, the gel cap. We're gonna change up the logo a little bit. So once these are done, you're gonna see a huge difference on the wheels and the center cap, and everything will look brand new. All right, that's a wrap. We're gonna go ahead and end the vlog 3 here. Let us know what y'all think. Comment down below. Y'all don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Hey!